record this. Stop, Isaiah, stop. Let go of the baby. Let go of the baby. I'm holding him. Come on, come on. I'm recording it because I can't even take a full picture.
Look at this one.
So she's trying to make it more like for the kids, you know?
You get all the stuff.
It's a nice car.
And that's the CD Chioro too, that it keeps saying all the stuff.
This is actually fine.
Isaiah, come here. Hey, don't touch.
That's my daughter's car. Now,
Ah, no, don't.
that's Bubba. Come on.
See that? Don't mess with anything, okay?
No, come on.
Not at the house.
Bianca, look inside the white car.
Ow!
Sorry, look inside in the black. The white car.
Oh, sorry.
Look at the white car. Look, in back of this car. Oh my gosh.
Jesse, that's a big butt.
What?
Ah, so funny.
Overrule this Bumblebee.
That's another bubble. You know he's real.
No, duh. I saw the kid before. I'm just gonna ask, what is he doing in there? That's a nice car. I like this car better. I like that one.
Why are you pushing me?
No, they let go of him, Destiny. I need you to let go of him. Destiny, I need you to let go of him because I'm holding him. And I need to walk around because I don't want to be freaking distracted.
So cute.
I'm recording every car. Every only nice car. Ah, come on.
Every nice car you see?
He's hurting my finger.
One.
It's the same one we saw.
It's Bumblebee.
Yes.
Bumblebee.
Look at the Transformers.
That's
Transformers.
Bumblebee.
Yeah, the Transformers logo.
That's Bumblebee.
It's Bumblebee?
And yeah.
Really?
Optimus Prime is the truck.
With the truck at?
Huh?
With the truck at?
I don't know. Truck. That's I found a truck. That's
Come on,
Optimus
come on.
Prime. He's the truck over there.
Come on. Jeremiah, get over here.
Hey, want to go to the park and walk and we can play over there? Let's play your dad. Let's play your dad. Oh, look at the puppy.
Come on.
What is this?
Come on. That's a nice
Look
car.
at this car. Can we go to the park?
I'm looking at all of them, Destiny.
Hey, look at Bianca. Bianca.
I know,
Can we
little
go
dog.
to the park? Can we go to the park?
Come on, Jeremiah. Where are you going? Come on. Come on. Stop